Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. Today, I want to dive into something that's becoming really important for law firms, how generative AI is starting to transform client relationship management, or CRM. If you're working at a law firm, managing one, or even just curious about how to build stronger client connections using AI, you're in the right place. Now, I've spent a lot of time digging into how this is actually playing out. Not just the hype or technical jargon, but the real-world, practical ways generative AI is already making a difference in client relationships. And honestly, the changes are pretty exciting. So let's start big picture. What's really happening here? The biggest shift is around efficiency and communication. It's not just about automating a few tasks. It's about fundamentally improving how firms interact with clients, day in and day out. Generative AI can take on the routine work, like summarizing complex, dense legal documents, and deliver client-friendly summaries that are actually easy to understand. It can push out real-time updates on cases too, helping clients feel more involved and informed without needing to chase down updates. That alone is huge. It keeps clients engaged and builds trust, because let's be honest, no one likes being left in the dark. If we zoom into daily practice, there are some really tangible examples. Intelligent document summarization is a big one. Imagine taking a 100-page contract and generating a clear, concise overview for your client. That's a game changer, saving time for both lawyers and clients. It also improves communication. AI-powered text editing tools can review drafts, whether it's an email or a legal document, and suggest improvements for clarity, coherence, even legal precision. That means lawyers communicate better and faster. And speaking of communication, some firms are now offering mobile apps or client portals powered by AI. Clients can get real-time updates, securely message the firm, and share documents, all seamlessly. Some of these tools even pick up on the sentiment in client messages. If a client seems frustrated or confused, the system can flag it early so the firm can step in proactively before a small issue becomes a major problem. It's not just about pushing out information, it's about listening better too. And let's not forget about automated responses. AI can suggest quick, appropriate answers to common client questions based on past interactions, boosting responsiveness and keeping things moving. Language translation? Absolutely. For firms working with diverse clients, AI-powered translation tools make communication more inclusive and accessible. Now, what about the internal side? The stuff the client doesn't always see, but definitely feels. AI can help automate task management and scheduling, prioritizing actions based on deadlines and importance. It keeps workflows tight, deadlines on track, and frees up attorneys and paralegals to focus more on substantive legal work, not just administrative tasks. AI even helps coordinate meetings by checking everyone's calendars and suggesting optimal times, which, let's be honest, can be a nightmare to do manually. All of this makes the entire client experience feel less chaotic and a lot more professional. So, when firms get this right, what's the real impact for the client? First, there's faster, more consistent communication. Clients get quick answers to simple questions through chatbots or virtual assistants, while lawyers can spend more time on complex, high-value conversations. Then there's personalization. AI can help firms tailor their communication style based on the client's past interactions and preferences, making the relationship feel personal, not generic. And AI gives firms better insights, spotting patterns in client questions and feedback so firms can proactively solve problems instead of just reacting to them. All of this adds up to more trust, faster service, and often more cost-effective support for the client. But, and it's a big but, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some real challenges that firms have to take seriously. First, legal AI isn't just ChatGPT pasted onto legal work. That's dangerous. Open web models can hallucinate or give inaccurate information. Real legal AI tools need to be trained on verified legal data and built with security and ethics in mind. There are also major confidentiality issues. Whether you build your own AI system or partner with a vendor, You have to think carefully about who has access to client data and how you're protecting it. Data privacy laws can't be ignored, and if you're working with vendors, you need rock-solid contracts and a clear plan for what happens if the vendor changes their terms or disappears. Integration can be another hurdle. Getting AI tools to work smoothly with your existing case management systems might require significant workflow changes, and that can meet resistance internally. Plus, training your team on how to use AI responsibly isn't a one and done. It's an ongoing commitment. So here's the big takeaway. Generative AI offers law firms a major opportunity to enhance client relationships, making interactions faster, more personal, and more proactive. But it needs to be implemented thoughtfully, with a clear plan for data privacy, ethical risks, and operational integration. And one final thought to leave you with, as AI gets better at handling client interactions, how do we balance efficiency with the fundamental human elements of trust, empathy, and personalized legal judgment? Will we see new roles like AI liaisons or AI ethicists in law firms to manage this balance? It's something worth thinking about as we head into this new frontier. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.